Scroll through any beauty forum online, and you will eventually find the same alluring trend. Millions of users are opting out of expensive clinical routines and heading straight into their kitchens to find skincare solutions. One specific hack dominates the space. Across thousands of videos, influencers claim that simply rubbing a raw potato slice on your face will cure dark circles, erase acne marks, and fade deep pigmentation. The idea has even found its way into academic literature. In this review from the International Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Research, the abstract explicitly states that potato juice acts as a skin brightener and a tool to reduce dark circles. It is easy to see the appeal. Compared to a high-end serum that can cost $80 an ounce, a potato is accessible in almost every grocery store and costs pennies. The internet has convinced us that a flawless, zero-cost skincare miracle is currently sitting right in our pantry. But when you present this viral hack to medical fact-checkers and dermatologists, you find an immediate contradiction. The medical consensus is clear. There is no clinical evidence that potatoes can completely remove dark circles or spots. Experts warn that applying raw potato can trigger allergic reactions that actually worsen the skin's appearance, rather than clearing it. To understand why a staple food could be a dermatological risk, we have to look past the marketing and into the biology. The myth is rooted in actual chemistry. In its raw state, the potato is a highly nutritious superfood. This breakdown shows exactly what you will find inside the tuber. It is packed with vitamin C, potassium, and a variety of naturally occurring enzymes. On paper, these specific compounds do possess mild bleaching and anti-inflammatory properties. But having the right ingredients inside a plant is only half the battle. You still need a way to deliver them into the skin. This microscopic simulation shows the human skin barrier, which functions as a primary defensive wall against unrefined external substances. When you smear raw potato juice across this surface, the molecules are generally too large or unrefined to penetrate. They simply sit on the top layer of the skin. This is why clinical ingredients are synthesized. They are engineered at a molecular level specifically for dermal absorption. A raw potato slice lacks the sophisticated delivery system necessary to reach deep pigmentation or the delicate layers under the eyes. Beyond the delivery failure, there is a specific danger inside the raw vegetable, an IgE-binding protein called patatin. For individuals with certain sensitivities, patatin acts as a powerful trigger when it comes into direct contact with the skin. This simulation shows the immune system attacking the foreign protein, which can trigger contact dermatitis and severe inflammation. This inflammation can lead to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, a state where the skin produces more melanin to heal, actually creating more dark spots. Rubbing a raw potato on your face is a biochemical gamble that can frequently backfire, creating the exact problem you were trying to solve. There is one viable exception for topical use, occasionally recommended for individuals with oily skin. It requires isolating the starch. You grate the potato, wait 15 minutes, discard the raw juice entirely, and collect the sediment left at the bottom. Looking at this dry microscopic structure, you can see how it works. The starch acts as a physical, absorbent compound that can soak up excess oil from the skin's surface. But even in this form, it is only a temporary oil absorber, not a permanent cure for aging or circles. Looking at these raw tubers, we can see their true utility. The potato is a nutritional powerhouse that provides its maximum benefit when it is ingested. Eating potatoes provides cardiovascular support and delivers antioxidants internally where the body can actually use them. For skin pigmentation, it is more effective to rely on clinically formulated products like synthesized vitamin C or retinoids. To achieve actual health, keep the potatoes on your plate and rely on dermatological science for your face.